We going on it's not an adventure, but we're going to the car show today.
Yeah, we go what? This is our second time going?
Yeah, this is our second year in a row. We went last year. It was cool last year, but it wasn't as cold. But this year it's like freezing.
Yeah, it's freezing this time.
But we're going and we're gonna have so much fun. Last year it wasn't open as late as it was this year, so I'm glad for that. Like this year they closed at 9. Last year they closed at what, like 5?
Yeah, it was
5
like
or 6. But so that means we got more time. Right now it's 2:05. We'll probably get there by like 3, and then like all the cars.
Chilling in the Hellcat, the last one. Well, no, it's electric. I don't even want to sit. I don't even want to go no more.
Well, I don't know, because they might have the regular ones. I don't know.
Nah, I doubt it. Or if they do, it's gonna be like just show people's cars. It's alright though, because we also gonna look at
everything.
yeah, and we're gonna get the BMW section out, because I'm starting to really like BMWs.
Hopefully this year they have like a larger selection of cars, because last year it was okay.
They usually always just show the newish stuff. So
Yeah.
it might be a little hectic. It might not be. We'll see though.
Last year it was okay. I'll try to put like photos and videos of like last year's car show, but hopefully this year they have like a larger selection. What the hell? Oh, a larger selection. But we'll catch y'all when we get there.
Let me see that. Y'all, we in the city, y'all. Look. We in the city, you know what I'm saying? Living, damn, it's dark. Living good. We in front of the convention center. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yeah, we about to go to the car show. You got the tickets?
Yeah. Well, don't scare me like that.
I'm just double checking. But damn, we could have walked across. But yeah, y'all, we about to have some fun, see all the good cars and stuff. It might be electric, but who knows?
Hopefully it's not electric. I bought an extra battery and everything because I don't know if the camera's gonna die. Hopefully it is not. It's really dark.
See it? Oh, that's nice. Porch, nice. See it. It's hard too.
I gotta get used to this.
Vlogging in public.
Yeah.
Man,
because I don't really do it. Where are you going?
Look at the truck. That's nice.
This is a. Get in there.
Get in there.
Do you like it?
I like the interior of a kid. It's actually really nice. And the move, I feel like I'm too big. Like, you see, like my head damn near out the window.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, you need something lower than that.
It's hard though. I ain't gonna lie.
Here, my turn.
Right. That's hard though. I like that. How you feel?
I don't know.
This actually fits you better though.
Yeah, it's cute, but like my head is like.
It's right there, right? Now you see what I'm talking about.
Like, what if I gotta readjust my seat and hit my head?
That's what I'm saying.
But this is not bad. I like this.
Yeah, it's nice though.
I like it. What's this? The new Prius? Hold on, let me show them the sticker.
It's like a joystick to control it.
What the hell? Is that even safe?
I don't know. I'm too big for this. Here, you want to switch? You want to see it?
Sure.
Look, like you'll see it. It look like a shift knob. Like. You see it?
I don't like it.
Yeah, right.
I'm not a fan.
It's a nice car,
But you
though.
can tell they took something off the shift knob because it's not supposed to be like this.
Oh, it's not?
Yeah, they took something off. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't know.
But that's another one over there.
The Prius?
It's the same.
2024 Nissan Sentra SR.
It's the same, bro.
It's not bad.
It's just the accents are red. I'm gonna show you guys. So in my car, my accents are white, and the SR is red. Literally same setup to a T. Like same setup. It's literally the same car that I have now, just with the SR.
Do you like it though?
Yeah. It's sheesh. Big too, it got space and everything.
There's just the F-150 EV.
The Lightning, yeah. So it's a quick truck, but I like the space.
It's for you. It looks like it's for you.
It's nice. I like the space.
Yeah, you look nice in there. You should get one.
A truck. All right, here, let's do a hyper scenario.
That would be annoying every day.
It look like you fit. It just look huge. Like you driving a boat. Like let me look, y'all. She look like she driving a boat. This is
Not
nice.
bad.
Yeah, right?
And there's a lot of headspace in there. There's a speaker right here too.
Oh wow.
Look, y'all. It's not bad. But would I get a pickup truck? Probably not. Oh, not unless I absolutely have to. But this is not bad though.
This is fire. I like this.
Oh,
I'm not even a big Ford person, but this is nice.
Wait, let me turn the lights. Oh, this is the lights. I guess. This is not bad though.
Better though.
The F-150. Why are we getting a driver's seat?
I'm about to, because he was over there.
Oh. It's not bad. This is huge. It fits you though.
It feels good though.
Do you like it? Like the feeling of it?
Yeah, it's spacious. Like I feel like I could just like lay back like this and still be comfortable like the drive. Let me see. See all the way back though.
It is?
Oh, it's not on. Never mind. So I can't change it. Okay. I'm pulling up on something I like.
What?
You got a 2012 SRT. Sheesh.
This is what, the car club?
Take a picture of this. It's far. Watch yourself.
Take a picture of that. Yeah, I love me a good car show. I've always been so hyped to be at a car show. This is really cute.
It's a girl car.
Was it a 2014 Wrangler?
to see one of these in person. Jeep Comanche. And they built it. It's nice. It's fire.
The Porsche.
It's a green Porsche. This right here is real green.
That's a pretty color.
Yeah. Long color. Fire.
This is really pretty. I like this color combo.
Yeah, black and green. It's fire too. This is L1? No, it's just a Camaro.
This is so cute. Whoever did this, she did a good job. 'Cause this is cute. Would you get this?
Would I get this? Nah, it's too big for me, bro.
It's too big.
Yeah, look how crazy. Show them the size of this truck, bro. Like, this is huge.
Bruh. I had to back all the way up.
You want to drive that every day?
No. I got to show you how to bike. This is so pretty. I like the color combo on here.
I really love KTMs though. KTMs are really underrated though. Like,
I just like the color combo.
yeah, all KTMs come with orange. Shit.
It's the lamb trucks and the light.
It is crazy seeing them. Like,
It's really this one. This is so cute. I'm crying. This is a McLaren, not a lamb. This is a pretty color.
we'll show the car.
Of course.
Look at this look.
No.
Jeez, I know this is mine. Both of these is mine.
This car is so cute. I just like the glitter on it. The cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom.
Oh, they did half gray, half purple. I found my dream car. I found my dream car.
Want me to get in there? Let me show them the details, y'all. Let me show y'all the details. You see it. 392 motor with the red lights. Red headlights too. Jeez.
Oh, the Fast and Furious car. Look at the Sonic charger. This is so cool. little model. That's so cute. Hey y'all. We back in the car. I tried to record while we was outside, but it's too cold.
And it's windy.
Yeah, it was cold and windy. But right now, well, we just let the car show. It was fun. I had a lot of fun. It was
really
cool.
nice.
And then, well, right now we just about to go find something to eat.
We're gonna try Raising Cane's, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know how I look and how long the line are.
Because it's almost 5 o'clock.
And we're hungry.
Yeah.
At this rate, we settle for anything at this point.
We'll catch y'all when we go get some food.
Raising Cane. This her first time. Well, this is my first time. This is her second time because she want to be phony. So I ended up getting us just fries and tenders, but I got you an extra side of fries in case, you know what I'm saying, you end up liking them or you don't like the tenders and you want the fries instead. So I got extra fries. And then we got the, I think it's called the.
Did you get ketchup?
I think it comes with it in there. If not, I'll get some. Dang, I don't see no ketchup, but we got 4 tenders, the toast, fries, sauce.
Nice.
If you want to try it here, I'll go get some ketchup.
Yeah.
You say you don't want the toast though.
No, you can have that. But we're about to eat, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that, but I'll catch y'all when we finish. Hey y'all. We just so we just finished eating. We had Raising Cane's. Personally, well, this is my second time having it. The first time I had it, I did not like it at all.
Okay.
But this time,
second time, how do you feel?
This time I give it like I say an 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
It was good. It was definitely better than the last time I had it. I would definitely recommend it. Only thing is, if you get their Sprite, don't get their Sprite. Their Sprite tastes like, damn, carbonated sink water. I don't like that. How would you rate it?
Yeah, I'll say like an 8. It was pretty good. I had the sauce for the first time. That was my first time trying it. I had the sauce everybody keep talking about. Everybody keeps saying that this sauce is so good. And it was alright. Like, it's pretty good. The fries was actually, for it to be like something on campus or, you know, like it's majority around where it's busy, you would think like, you know, like they just half-ass make it. But it was pretty good though. So I'll give it like an 8. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
I'll get it again.
Because we went to the one near Temple University. But it wasn't bad though. Right now we just about to go home. And are we going skating?
Most likely.
And we're most likely gonna skate. So it's 5:45 now. We'll probably get home like about 6:10, 6:15.
Yeah,
Then, oh my gosh, did y'all see that? Then after that, we're probably gonna go skating. So we got like technically like 2 hours to kill, cause skating starts at like 8:30.
No, we'll probably leave at 8.
Yeah.
I want to be there a little early so I could leave a little early.
Yeah, but catch y'all when we get to the house. Hey y'all, we back home. Say hi. So right now it is 6:30. We about to kill like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then go skating and whatnot. But my hair look a little crazy because I just took the beanie off. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog, like spend a day with me / vlog thing. Yeah, I think I should do more of these. Of course, just let me know. But thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all already know, like, comment, all that good stuff. And don't forget to take a look at my Amazon storefront. Of course, the link is in the description. And we'll catch you in the next vid. Say bye.